When you're scrolling on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, and you see a streamer's clip. Have you ever wondered how those clips get made so fast? Or maybe you already clip streams and want a way to do it without scrubbing through hours of footage. Today, I'll show you how to turn full streams into short-form clips using AI with Wayne Video. Alright, let's get started. This is the Wayne Video homepage. So up here at the top, this is where you paste in your YouTube, Twitch, or any other platform link to get started. Once you paste in a link, Wayne Video opens a new page with all the tools you can use for that video, and you basically choose how you want to work with it from there. Right below that, you'll see all the different tools you can use, and underneath, you can scroll through content that's already been created with Wayne Video. But for today, we're focusing on AI clipping, so let's click that. Once you click AI clipping, a new UI will pop up where you can paste your clip and continue. If you have a YouTube link, just click YouTube link, paste it in, and hit continue. And for this example, I'm going to take a full iShowSpeed stream. Here, you can decide the language and the clip length. I'm going to select the 30 to 60 second clip length and click continue. And within moments, the AI starts processing the entire stream and pulling out clips that have real viral potential. After scrolling through all the clips it found, I'm going to pick this one, so let's watch it. So yeah, that's the clip. Now let me reframe this so it's ready for short form. I just click reframe, and it opens the editor where I can change subtitles, turn it from 16:9 into 9:16, and adjust the length. You can also switch between different grids like full, fit, split, trio, and a bunch of others to match the style you want. For example, this is what a split grid looks like. Wayne Video's auto reframe processes the entire clip and automatically decides which grid looks best, so most of the time, you don't even have to go through this process yourself. Now let's talk about subtitles. You can edit each line of text to make sure the AI doesn't get anything wrong, and you can also change the text size and placement directly on the screen. If you go into the Style tab, you can choose from different subtitle styles depending on the type of video you're making. There are also dynamic captions, which in my opinion look the best, and you can even customize the dynamic captions to match your style. For example, if you want to change the outer glow or the highlight on dynamic text, you can do that right under the custom section. After you finish setting everything up, just click Export, select your video quality, and hit export. In a few seconds, the clip is ready to download, and this is what it looks like.
You remember? You remember? You remember? You remember? You remember? Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Again! Show! Right! Yeah! Yeah! Sue! Sue! Power Rangers! You hit the button one last time! Power Rangers!
And that's basically it. If you're clipping streams, videos, or podcasts, and you want to save hours of work, Wayne Video makes the whole process insanely easy. And you also get 200 credits just for logging in. I'll leave the link in the description so you can try it out for yourself. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.